We all know that the casino market is growing rapidly. There is a huge number of players who like to play casino games. It has significantly shaped the gaming industry, and this huge demand has got the attention of entrepreneurs to develop a casino aviator game. So, are you also one of those who want to learn about casino aviator games and the cost of building an aviator game app? Then you have come to the right place here in this video. We will tell you how you can get your customer a casino-like experience. If you want aviator game development services, then keep watching our short-minute guide video. Aviator Casino App Development. Aviator is a multiplayer casino game for betting on the plane taking off and flying. It is a high adrenaline gameplay for today's youth. Unlike the traditional casino games where spinning reels or playing cards is the ritual, Aviator revolves around predicting when a plane will fly. Here, user must cash out their bet before the plane flies. If they fail to do that, they will lose their money. The multiplier of the bet money is dependent on the duration of the plane's flight. For example, if it flies for a good long time, then your money will multiply on great aspects. Let's understand the game. Step 1, place a bet. Step 2, the plane takes off. Step 3, cash out the bet before the plane flies. Step 4, if a player misses when the plane flies, then the player will lose the money. What TechGropse offer while developing aviator games? Our aviator game development services offer multiple benefits. We provide a cost-effective digital solution. We offer fair services to our customers. We value money, hence we offer on-time delivery. We will give you customized solutions. If you are ready to build an aviator game app and want to be a part of these gaming industry technology advancements, reach out to TechGropse. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link given in the description and reach out to us to know more. Like, share, subscribe.